These chilly days, I have been looking for a warm, winterly drink that keeps me warm and toasty. Hence, my choice fell on the London Fog, which is a hot tea-based drink that consists of Earl Grey tea, steamed milk and vanilla syrup. Interested in how to make this tea? Let's get started. First, we need to boil some water. Fill a tea bag with dried lavender and add 2 tea bags and steep for 5 minutes. While we are waiting for the tea to steep, heat the milk and use a frother or French press until milk doubles in size. Set the milk aside and continue with the tea. Strain out the tea bags and discard the lavender. Add vanilla syrup and sweeten your tea with agave syrup. Mix everything well and add this tea mix to a glass cup. Pour the froth milk into the cups and garnish with dried lavender or cinnamon. I hope I could show you how easy it is to prepare your London Fog, also in a plant-based way. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like.